Hello, folks. It's me again. What am I doing? This is a weekly What's New. Yay, swing the head. Got a haircut. Might have noticed that in a few videos. My hair gets longer and shorter. What's new? Not much. I was hoping at this point, the weather, right now, it's like almost the end of March. It's like the 20 something. And I was hoping I'd have access. We got the teaser. It was like, yep, 5 degrees out, 10 degrees out, nice and warm, t-shirt weather, snowstorm, mini ice storm. That it was supposed to be like the big ice storm. It was a failure. And then it was just starting to melt. You could see the ground just warming up. It was all that muddy season. I was just hoping to get one nice day, just one, like, plus whatever. It was nice and melted out here. No, we got snow. That was 2 days. So it's like the March surprise. Snow, rain, snow, rain, snow, rain, minus at night. It's maple season, so if you want good maple syrup, we gotta let it snow and let it get cold. So it looks like maybe next week or the week after, I'll do some. Reason why I'm in a rush, I want to finish that sandblaster. It's got 2 little things to put on it. I'm like, you know what? First sign, I'll bring my little table over here. I'm gonna build a new one. I have a little wooden like rack I put on. Gotta make another one. But anyway, not that you really care. But I'm going to finish the sandblaster, and I'll make some sandblasting videos of some of the stuff I've been sandblasting. I dropped off a ton more parts to powder coat, which I might have said in the last weekly What's New. I am waiting to get it back, and then I will put the front neck back on this thing right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. This black thing right here, that's the bike. I had the front end on it, but after realizing the all balls bearings don't fit properly, I ordered a whole set of the old school bearings. So with that said, hopefully I have enough little balls put on there. I ordered a new race. I have another little race for it. I ordered a bunch of parts. And figured I'd try to order as much parts to get the swing arm on before World War II kicks in. Or 3 or World War IV, what the fuck it is. So I'm trying to get some parts in next. I'll order some more parts in April again if we're still here. And with that said, I have I got a few things off eBay. There's a video of this thing coming, my little meat hook I ordered. It's not a meat hook. So with that said, I'm still going to the channel, still having fun. I'm like I said, I do have some videos of me working on some stuff. I don't know if it's very interesting, but it's just me doing what I do. If you don't like it, well, I can't help you. I just made this channel for fun. I made it during COVID. A friend of mine told me. So I figured I'd work on some bikes. I am not a bike expert. I by far do not know half the time what the hell I'm doing, but you learn a lot. So, in order to have fun in life and do stuff, you got to take chances and learn. Like I don't know much about the engines. I have an 86 engine, I have an 85 engine, and I have another one in storage, which I should get rid of the storage place. Just put some engines on a shelf somewhere, and quit paying for storage. But I want to get some of these bikes out of here first. Ain't gonna running, so for the kids this summer. With that said, I'm really, really hoping that thing. The other reason why I get sandblasting welder, I have one little patch on that seat somewhere over here, which probably is on the floor. I made a patch for it. I got to stare and carefully tack weld it in, and then I can see this big white cannoli here. That's Highline. What's that? Highlight seat foam. Excellent job. It comes with they made a custom seat cover and a custom foam, which they said is better than the original. I really wish they would have made the original foam, but do what you can do. So I have the seat pan for it, put the cover on, but I have to patch weld one section. Other than that, the other bike, that's the same bike, same problem. The seat, I'm probably going to order a fiberglass replacement copy of the seat because whatever. So yeah. With that said, nothing else new. I brought a whole bunch of stuff to powder coat. I got a few things back. I got, what did I get back? A couple of parts. I forget what it was. I got the front, what was it? I made a video of it. Why can't I remember this? The front forks for the ATC 70. I'm still waiting for the rest of it. He's supposed to give me the front, the little gray pieces on the bike, on the front forks. So I get those back. When I get the triple back, I'll have the tubes and the whole front fork thing all straightened out. I also gave him a. That's what it was. That's gonna be cool to see. If you look at one of my videos, I was playing around with a rear differential. I'm waiting for that to get back. He said his friend was going over to do some laser removal, so he's going to see if his friend can laser clean off the aluminum. See how it works. Apparently it does a really nice job. So I want one of those. I can just do the whole bike. Yeah, laser remove everything. So we'll see how it is. So you might see the results of laser removal and some more powder coating. And also, I've been cleaning up my garage. I didn't film it, but there's a whole pile of junk here and junk over there, but I need to get access to the door. So there's a little bit of cleaning going on. Not much, but it's getting there. There's a lot of little meticulous things I gotta pick up. Like I have like boxes of screws. I use them occasionally for making stuff, so I keep them. There's a box of screws over here. In case you want to make that welding art project, you have stuff. So, plus you never know. Like welding crap, you know, little pieces welded on. You have it. This day and age, I can't afford to go to a hardware store. It's too expensive. Shit's like ridiculous. And you know how many? And honest to God, I haven't used all those nuts and bolts that I've had, but I've managed like to keep some things, like some of the Dremel bits I've had for years. I finally used a few, and it's, you know, hit or miss. It's like you could have as much as you can and probably never use anything. So, but at least you have it, because that, you know, that one little thing you'll use 20 years later. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know if any of you guys seen that video. They're jokes on TikTok. The guy's like, wait, hold on, I got some. He runs in his garage, and they play like that crazy music, and he goes back and he has like the 2x4 he's been saving for like 12 years, and he's like, yeah, and they're all bouncing, like, yeah, and it's just like a piece of wood. That's my wood pile over there. It's just a pile of wood I'm waiting for. But when I need wood, I have some. I've actually used quite a bit of it. I have oak up there and maple up there and a bunch of other stuff. So, toodles, thanks for watching, and I hope you still like the channel. You know, I'm not the greatest channel, but I do whatever I want. So.